everyone, we are back here at the Tuff Shed workshop and we have been spending so much more time in our backyard, so we're going to work on a few little improvement projects around our shed. Now we have a little bit of an unused space behind our shed. We could easily leave it, people don't really go back there. We could put some sod down, but we are going to turn it into a fun little secret hangout spot. So let's go back there and we'll show you what we're going to do. As you can see, we've got a fun little path back here, and then here is the space. So it's a little overgrown, but with a little bit of work, we're going to cut these down. There's so much great potential back here. I think we're going to put a mural on this wall, maybe add some string lights, really create a nice little backyard hideaway that's perfect for one person to come back and relax, or maybe just a little party with friends. So we are so excited about this space. There is so much potential. Let's get started. Now that we've got all the space cleared back here, you can really see how much room we have. We've got this wall all painted white, so it's a great blank canvas for our new mural. So here it is, all finished up. We completely cleared out the space back here, re-leveled the ground, added the paver patio, painted the mural, and did all of these great DIY projects, which we've listed below in our DIY playlist. You can do them all yourself and create a great space to hang out in your backyard right behind your Tuff Shed building.